Hello again, this is Doug, the Two-Minute Gardener. Well, with summer just around the corner, it's time to start thinking about what are you going to do for shade in your backyard. Now, there are lots of different options of different types of shade structure kits. Some of these are the ones you're going to see in Home Depot and Lowe's and even Costco in the coming weeks ahead. And these are good, but they're not quite as solid and dependable as some of the more fixed ones. The problem is that a really nice custom built one like this will cost you about $10,000. So what is something in between? Well, let me show you my favorite in between. This is the Yardistry shade structure, and this is a wonderful kit. Now, it is a kit. You are going to have to assemble this baby, and there is going to take some time. These two guys took about 2 days to assemble this structure, working 8 hours a day to put it all together. But the great thing about this particular kit is that it only costs about $2,000. So if you have the technical know-how and another body to help with some of the muscly parts, then it's a really great alternative to a $10,000 custom shade structure. The nice thing about this Yardistry shade structure is that it comes in a lot of different configurations, and it is a solid roof structure. It actually does have a solid top to it that you are protected from the weather elements. The other nice thing about it is that it does come with different configurations for different hooks for hanging things with it. So there's a lot of interesting combinations you can get with this shade structure kit. If you click on the links in the comment section, you'll go to yardistry.com. But also Costco occasionally has it, and when Costco has it, it's a great deal. For example, this kit that you see right here in this garden, that particular one was normally about $2,000 at Yardistry.com. Costco had it for $1,400. So if you find it at Costco, it is a great deal. And like I said, it does come in several different configurations, different roof configurations, different sizes. It goes all the way up to 20 by 30s with different things. The other nice thing about it, there's so many nice things, but I love all the accessories. For example, here's the mosquito netting. Nice if you have some mosquitoes, closes right up, makes a nice enclosed container to enjoy that summer dinner. So again, this is the Yardistry shade structure kit. Check out the links in the comment section for more product info. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Make sure to click on that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.